Okay, for interpreting a pictograph table, it doesn't have any numbers. It has little drawings. And the table below shows the number of students at 4 middle schools. How many students are at Adams Middle School? Well, look at this table. You know that Du Bois doesn't have 2 people in it. A middle school doesn't usually have 2 students. So you need to make sure that you are paying attention to what the key says. There is always going to be a key to the table in a pictograph. So each person here equals 50 students. So if you count these by 50, on 2 students is going to be 100. So that's 100, 200, 300 students in Adams. I'm just going to come out to the side and write the totals. For Du Bois, 50, 100. For Greyhawk, 50, 100, 150. I'm counting by 50s because that's what the key says to do. For Polk, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300. Okay, so now we know how many students are at Adams Middle School. There are 300 students. How many more? Anytime they say how many more, you're going to find the difference. You're going to subtract. Okay, so Greyhawk has 150. And Du Bois has 100. And if you subtract those, you get 50. There are 50 more students. Next one, the table below shows the number of books borrowed at 5 libraries last week. Let's look for the key. Each book represents or equals 200 books. So let's count by 200s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 10 hundreds. That means 1,000. 2, 4, 6, 800. 2, 4, 6, 800. 2, 400. 2, 4, 600. How many books were borrowed at Woodbury Library? 600. How many more books? Many more means subtract. Were borrowed at Kennedy. Kennedy was 800. And Maine was 400. And 800 minus 400 equals 400.